I am back, and there was a few of you that asked for my hummus recipe. It's really not a recipe I get anywhere. It's just one that I whip together all on my own. I make it just the way I like it. But remember these, the garbanzo beans I canned. We are going to open this. There we are. And I need my, I'm surprised that didn't fall down between my stove and my cabinet. I always do that. Okay. So this is, 1 pint is equivalent to about 2 cups, but considering this isn't a complete full pint, but I'm still going to consider it 2 cups. You're going to put all that in there. The gel and everything. The entire jar. Okay. Alrighty. And to that, I am going to add a good, if I can get this open, a good tablespoon of garlic. Oh, maybe. Let's see. I'll do, it's a half a tablespoon, that'll fit. I'll do 2 of these. There's 1. Now you can certainly add more if you like. This is how I'm doing it. And it might need more garlic. I'm not sure yet. Then I'm going to do a teaspoon of cumin. And I don't put tahini in it. I'm just not really a big fan of tahini. All tahini is like sesame paste, ground up sesame seeds. Okay, now with that I'm going to add just a dot, probably not just a dot, but a tablespoon. Yeah, I'm going to start with a tablespoon because with the gel I got in there, it might get creamy anyway. You want it real good and creamy. And then I'm going to add, a good tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This stuff is fantastic. Okay, got that there. Now I'm going to do, because this will get salty real quick, I'm just going to do about, it's about a good half teaspoon of salt. Okay, so you got all that in your processor. Put the lid on and whip it up for about a good 30 seconds. That's really loud. I'll be back as soon as I'm done with it. Hey friends, I'm back. And I added some more. Garbanzo beans to that because this was a little too thin for me. So I'm going to have to add a little bit more of my seasoning. Okay? Some salt and a little more garlic and a little more cumin. This stuff won't last but a couple days anyway. It'll be devoured. Okay. A little more cumin to that. A good teaspoon. It wasn't quite. There we go. Alright. Now, we will mix this again. Now I'm going to taste it. Ooh, perfect. Okay, that is wonderful. Let's see here. Now when I serve this, I got more over there. I put when I put mine together, I put paprika in it. Nice big amount. I love paprika in it, okay? Then I'm going to do a little bit of parsley and another nice drizzle of olive oil. And that, friends, is how I make my hummus. It's wonderful. Give it a try. You'll like it. It's very easy, and it's even easier canning the garbanzo beans. So give it a whirl. Thanks for watching.